Hello, and welcome to this quick, calming little light meditation. Take a moment to find a safe and comfortable position, either lying down on your back or seated, remembering to keep your spine nice and straight. Once you're settled, close your eyes and exhale completely, sinking into the surface supporting you. Then take a nice, slow, and long, deep breath in, focusing on your head, neck, throat, and shoulders. Picture the air circulating and clearing out any unwanted thoughts, stress, or tension. As you slowly exhale, say to yourself, "I am clear," and sink deeper into the surface supporting you as you release. Repeat for a few more breaths. On your next inhale, take a slow breath deep down into the belly. Picture the air traveling to the chest, back, belly, down your arms, hands, and fingertips, circulating and clearing out any nervousness, fear, tension. Releasing this on a slow exhale as you say to yourself, "I am calm," allowing yourself to sink deeper into the surface supporting you. Repeat for a few more breaths. On your next inhale, take a long, smooth, deep breath in, sending it down to your hips, your legs, feet, all the way down to your toes. Picture the air circulating and clearing out any pain, tension, or unwanted emotions you want to release. On a slow, steady exhale, say to yourself, "I am collected," and feel your hips and legs completely releasing as you sink deeper into the surface supporting you. Repeat for a few more breaths. Take one more deep breath in, picturing the air circulating through your entire body, clearing away anything else residing here that you want to release. Exhale as you say to yourself, "I am clear, calm, and collected." Releasing and sinking, feeling completely supported. When you're ready, bring your attention back to your physical body by wiggling the fingers and the toes, and then gently open the eyes. The Buddhist monk Thich Nhat Hanh said, "Breathe in deeply to bring your mind home to your body." May you go into the rest of your day feeling clear, calm, and collected. And may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.